Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Forms to create a survey. First, go to your account and click on New Forms at the top left. Now, give your form a title, like Survey. You can also add a short description so people know what your survey is about. After that, it's time to add questions. Microsoft Forms give you several question types to choose from. First is choice. This type of question lets you create multiple choice answers where people can pick one or more options. It's great for yes or no questions or when you want people to select from a list. Next is text. This allows respondents to type their own answers, either short or long. Use this when you want open-ended feedback or detailed comments. Third is rating. This adds a star or number scale so people can rate their experience. For example, rating from 1 to 5 stars. Fourth is date. This lets respondents pick a specific date from a calendar. It's useful if you want to know when something happened or when someone is available. Fifth is ranking. With this option, people can drag and drop items into their preferred order. For example, ranking their favorite songs from most to least favorite. Next is Likert. This is the classic agree to disagree scale. It's useful if you want to measure opinions or attitudes like strongly agree, neutral, disagree, strongly agree. You can go ahead and add in statements as many as you'd like according to your questions. And last is Net Promoter Score. This asks how likely someone is to recommend your product, service, or event on a scale from 0 to 10. It's a quick way to measure overall satisfaction and loyalty. Once you've added the questions you need, your survey is ready to share and collect feedback. And that's just basically it. That's how you use your form for a survey. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.